Stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. It's been a very rough week. I've had so much anxiety and so much stress, with school and stuff. And it's only my second week in school, so it's kind of frustrating a little bit. And honestly, there were days this week where I was just like, I don't really want to go to school. I don't really want to, I don't want to get out of bed today. I just want to stay in bed all day, curtains closed, and just not do anything and not deal with people and not deal with the world at all. But there was a little voice in me that I don't know. I personally feel like it was God telling me that, I need to just stop focusing so much on the negatives. And I should just focus on what a great opportunity this is and what a blessing this is. I should focus, that is what I should be focusing on, the positives of this. Like, who would have ever thought that I would be studying in on a completely different continent and living by myself at such a young age. I moved away from home when I was 17, and it was the first time that I'd ever been away from my family. And being in a wheelchair as well, that's another huge challenge. But the fact that I have gotten through it for 3 years now, it makes me really believe that, I can do it. And, God has given me this opportunity, and He knows that I can handle it. He knows that I can handle whatever it is that comes my way. He knows that I can do it. And I need to believe in myself. I need to trust that He wouldn't give me something that is too much to handle, something that I cannot handle at all. He wouldn't do that because He loves me too much. Based on that, I just wanted people to, I wanted to encourage you to just, whenever you're feeling down and you're feeling like, you don't want to continue with something, or you just want to give up, don't do it. Focus on all your blessings. Focus on all the positives. Like, you're alive. You have a steady heartbeat. So clearly you can get through it. You've gotten through it all these years, and you can still get through whatever it is that is bothering you, or that is bringing you down, that is trying to bring you down. This week, I felt like giving up. I really did. I really, really did. And I completely lost my passion for anything. I lost my passion for anything and everything. I didn't want to do anything anymore. I was so focused on, the fact that I miss home and I miss my family, and that I'm alone here and don't really have much of a support system. And my mind was too focused on all of that I completely forgot about all the other blessings. Again, I'm alive. Health-wise, I'm doing pretty darn good. I'm doing really, really good. I am in my second year of university. I completed my diploma, so obviously I can do this school thing. So I'm not incapable of getting good grades. I'm not incapable of performing well. I know that I can do it because I've done it before. So there's absolutely no reason for me to be feeling less confident about myself right now. Basically, I just want you people all to know that you are so blessed, and you should focus on that. rather than focus on the downside of everything. And just don't give up. And I want you to know that you are so special, you are so unique, you are beautiful because you were made in the image of God, and God is oh so perfect, and He wouldn't make you any other way. You know, you are so special to Him, and you mean a lot to Him, and He knows you can do it, and He just wants you to believe in yourself as well. He wants you to believe in yourself as much as He believes in you. So yeah, don't give up. Just keep going, keep striving, reach for your goals, fulfill your dreams, follow your heart, but don't leave your mind behind. I guess that's the video for today. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your family and friends so that they can, you know, feel kind of motivated to just keep going and realize how special they are and realize how blessed they are. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and share in that order. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.